Microsoft just dropped a massive Windows update. And this update is part of Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2 final rollout phase. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. Microsoft has officially released build number 26100.8313, that is 24H2, and another build 26200.8313, that is 25H2, to the release preview channel, which means these features are almost ready for everyone. Let's break down what's actually changed. This is huge. Windows 11 now gets an Xbox-style full-screen gaming interface, cleaner UI, controller-friendly navigation, no background distraction. You can activate it from the Xbox app, the game bar settings, or just press Win key plus F11. This basically turns your PC into a console-like experience. Microsoft actually improved the real user pinpoint here. Your settings are like short by name, icon size. Now stay consistent even when opening folder from different apps. File Explorer launch faster, better responsiveness, and turn on the dark mode. You can notice no more annoying white flash when opening File Explorer. In File Explorer, you can notice there is a little bit change in the search icon. Now, new features are added like preview anywhere buttons for downloaded files, support for more archive formats like .cpio, .xar, .nupkg. This is one of the most practical updates in a long time. This is where things get futuristic. Windows is introducing AI agents directly on Taskbar. For example, Microsoft 365 Copilot Researcher shows real-time progress on Taskbar, notifies you when work is done. You can literally track your work without opening the app. Microsoft improved typing experience big time. New simple voice typing UI, haptic feedback when snapping windows, aligning objects, better emoji panel layout, new Arabic keyboard layout, small change but daily use improvements. Drag tray is now renamed to drop tray, and improved smaller UI, less accidental triggers, better placement in multitasking settings. This is important for power user. Windows is triggering driver security, removes trust for cross-signed drivers, only allows trusted plus certified drivers, also introduces more secure batch file execution, better update targeting for secure boot. This improves system safety massively. Lots of hidden upgrades, like faster startup apps, better memory usage, improved taskbar reliability, better storage performance, FAT32 limit increased to 2 TB. Yes, that's actually huge for some users. Now let's talk about what's for business users. New policy-based app removal, better enterprise state roaming, quick mode improvements. This is clearly triggering IT admins as well. This is not just a bug fix update, it includes new features, UI changes, AI integration, gaming experience updates, and it's already in the release preview channel, meaning this is basically the final version before global rollout. Now, should you install it? Yes, if you're an insider, you want early features, you test Windows updates. But wait, if you want 100% stable public release. So yeah, this update is actually way bigger than it looks. If you want more real Windows updates explained simply, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.